There is a simple order for organizing and cleaning that prevents you from doing the same work twice. How many times have you spent an entire Saturday cleaning the house, scrubbing floors, and tidying every corner, only to see the same chaos setting in again just 2 days later? There is a biological and behavioral trap that causes us to spend precious hours cleaning things that should actually be eliminated or rethought before we even pick up a broom. In the next 12 minutes, I'll explain the practical neuroscience behind household exhaustion and share the essential Japanese minimalism step you need to take before cleaning anything in your home. And our first practical action begins in exactly 2 minutes. If you feel a heavy fatigue in your arms and a quiet frustration at living like a slave to housework, never finding true peace in your own home, listen closely to what I'm about to tell you. It's not your fault. It's not a personal flaw. It's your brain operating in pure survival mode, trying to manage an overwhelming amount of clutter that no human being was designed to handle on a daily basis. You aren't a disorganized person. You're simply trying to clean things that shouldn't be there in the first place. In applied neuroscience, there is a crucial distinction between cleaning and decluttering. When you wipe down a table covered in useless objects, you're merely moving the dust and stress around without addressing the biological root cause that is overloading your prefrontal cortex. Imagine your brain as a web browser with 40 tabs open at once, causing the system to crash because it's consuming too much memory. Cleaning without first eliminating the excess is like trying to organize the open tabs on a computer that has already frozen. Every accumulated item continues to drain your cognitive resources in the background. Do you know why your brain gets so exhausted? Because your amygdala perceives the density of objects as constant visual noise, keeping low levels of cortisol active in your body. The Japanese principle of seiri teaches us the first golden rule. Organization doesn't begin with cleaning, but with the courage to discard. And that is exactly the logic we are going to build upon together today. To break this cycle of exhaustion right now, let's apply our first micro-action, the 0-point filter. In the 2 minutes following this video, don't grab a broom or a cloth. Go to a single room, grab a bag, and remove 3 items that you know are broken, unused, or no longer belong in your life. By removing the physical object before you start cleaning, you instantly reduce the mental effort required to care for that space. Now answer me this. Why do we insist on buying storage bins and devising complex methods to store things we don't even use? There is an illusion in the modern world that confuses tidying up with harmony. When you organize excess, you simply create a visually pleasing mess. The physics of the mind works like pouring clean water into a glass full of mud. Until you empty the glass, the pure water never has room to settle. Neuroscience proves that the human brain thrives on spatial simplicity. The fewer micro-maintenance decisions you have to make regarding inanimate objects, the more dopamine and mental energy remain for you to live, create, and rest with your family. Notice and feel how stopping the constant tidying of clutter is the first step toward reclaiming your dignity at home. If this reflection resonates with you and brings a sense of relief, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That is how we allow this message of serenity to reach more homes that also need to slow down today. Now let's talk about our second practical micro-action, the clear surface rule. The exercise takes exactly 2 minutes. Choose your kitchen counter or your living room table. Before using any cleaning products, remove absolutely everything from the surface and put away only the strictly essential items in their proper places. Clean only the bare surface. Experiencing the ease of cleaning an empty space teaches your brain the true value of minimalism. When we understand that our home should be a sanctuary for rest, not a repository for endless chores, our relationship with time changes completely. But there is something about your compulsion to clean that perhaps no one has ever told you. The real reason your home always looks messy might not be a lack of discipline, organization, or improper cleaning techniques. It might be something much deeper. You have turned frenetic cleaning into an unconscious way of escaping yourself. While you scrub, organize, fold, tidy, and look for things to fix, your mind stays busy. There is no room left for silence, no room left to notice what is bothering you deep down. And that is precisely where the trap lies. You finish a task and feel relief. For a few minutes, everything seems under control, but soon you find something else to clean. Another drawer, another corner, another imperfection. The house will never be perfect because the problem was never really with the house. Perhaps you don't need to do more. Perhaps you need to eliminate what creates clutter, set boundaries, and accept that a truly organized home isn't one where everything is spotless, but one where there is room to live. Your home shouldn't require your energy all the time. He should return it. We keep busy cleaning and putting things away because constant movement keeps us from feeling the emptiness of our choices. Do you know why your mind insists on accumulating junk and then trying to clean it? Because while you're exhausted around the house, you have the perfect excuse not to tend to your internal wounds. The excess of things has become your comfortable refuge against life itself. Neuroplasticity proves that true mental peace is born in free space. Stopping cleaning before decluttering is the commitment of those who decide to live in a home that breathes, where beauty lives in the silence of unoccupied corners. And that is why our third micro-action is the most profound and liberating of all, the evening destrali ritual. Every afternoon, before starting any nightly organization, do a 5-minute sweep for temporary junk, empty packaging, paper picked up on the street, or clothes that no longer fit. Get everything out of your house before dark. Providing a clear space for your evening ensures that your brain releases melatonin in an environment of deep calm. How the wisdom of the mind transforms your routine. Discarding before cleaning frees your prefrontal cortex. Keeping surfaces free eliminates everyday friction, and conscious decluttering returns lightness to your home. Your home should be the place where your body finds refuge, not where your soul wears out. Always remember this anchoring phrase: don't try to organize what you should simply have the courage to let go of. If you feel like you're ready to free your space, stop being a slave to cleaning and take control of your peace starting today. Make a sincere commitment to me and your journey. Write the phrase "effective organization" here in the comments. By typing these words, you make a public intention of maturity and clarity with your mind and inspire others to do the same. Share this video with a friend, family member, or any loved one who is tired of cleaning the house without seeing any results. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to continue walking with us on this journey of self-discovery. The essential doesn't scream. He whispers. And maybe that's precisely why you can't hear it when your life is full of excess, rush, and noise. Allow the essential to whisper the path of healing within you. Don't try to solve everything today. Just start by removing what no longer needs to remain. Perhaps the peace you seek is not in doing more, but in carrying less. Thank you so much for breathing, reflecting, learning, and being silent with me during this moment. May you be able to look at your home, your routine, and above all, within yourself with more kindness. Stay aware. Notice what really deserves your energy. And remember, not everything needs to be fixed, organized, or controlled. Some things just need to be let go. Take care of your space. Take care of your time. But most of all, take care of who you become while you experience all of this. Allow silence to reveal what excess hid, and see you in the next video.